Hello YouTube. Finally got my mic working, so hopefully you guys can hear me a little better. We're out and about again today. Um, Working on what is this? This is a 4320. I was just out at a 4720. Seems like it's the 420 series week this week, but yeah, I'll show you what we're getting into. So glass broke. Customer broke his lower glass here. Got the new one in. This side for some reason wants to keep pushing out, so I got very light pressure pushing that on that to keep it in place till the glue dries a little bit. We're gonna get that cleaned up, and then once while that's curing, we're doing a major service on this, and our major services are uh, engine oil, fuel filters, front axle, transmission oils, and then blowing everything out. Yeah, we gotta blow them suckers out. All at the same time of trying to make sure we don't disturb Mr. Glass. So that's what we got going on today. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Arms healing. You can see I got my long sleeves on. It is 73 degrees, so having long sleeves kind of sucks, but I'm trying to keep it protected so it doesn't get all liquefied. But let's get into this. This is way more exciting than what I got going on. Ew. Still stuck, huh? The joys. Oh. I'd say she hasn't been changed in a hot minute, boys. Girls. I would have expected her to have a lot more hours on it than that. Only 363.6 hours. So she gets rode hard and put away wet. So what I like to do with these fuel filters, drain them like that and tip them upside down. See how much water comes out of them. Got the new one's on already. That's what I like to do. The other thing I like to do, you know, you gotta bleed them here, fuel comes out. And I like to go turn the key to the on position so that way I have fuel going around. And I'll sit here, pump this, and then it'll actually go through. And hopefully, when you guys work on these, you'll know how big of a pain in the butt it can be to get these suckers to bleed. Maybe that's a helpful tip for a couple of you guys. Now these ones down here are kind of your main ones you want to make sure you get. It just seems like everybody forgets about those poor little guys down there. So we got air filters, engine oil, fuel filter, engine oil filter, hydrostatic and hydraulic oil changed, and the filter for that as well. Sump screen changed, cleaned, good to go there. Greased. I think we pretty much got it wrapped here. We just got to check the cabin air filter and we should be ready to rock. Now, this guy gets missed so often on these, and it's probably about 75% of my air conditioning or heat related problems, or concerns, not problems. There's the filter inside here. You got 1, 2 wing nuts. You screw it off, check it out, see if it's dirty. As you can see here, filter out, and you can see in there that it's dirty. So like that, new air filter. Part number, it's right there. There we go. And there you have it, folks. Quick, simple, easy, complete full major service on a 4D or 420 series tractor. Have a good day. Thank you.